In this video, I will show you a very simple strategy, the MACD trading strategy. Works for crypto. I use it for crypto. I actually combine it with a few indicators, but I'll show you the simplest way to do it. And then if you want, you can get creative with it and add a few more things on top. If you appreciate my effort, all you gotta do is slap the like button or I'll slap you subscribe because I'm trying to get 50k subscribers. I'm at 49 something. The screen actually turned off. And I need 50k because my enemies are coming. This video is not financial advice, and I'll tell you a few more things while we're at the video. While we start the video, we can talk about a few other things. So here is a big crash that we happened with the Ukrainian news on 24th February, and I'll show you how to actually trade in volatility like this with a little bit more probability. Again, I will actually compare it with other things, but it's a very probable way to do it. So we had a big dump right here, and the way you use the MACD strategy, first of all, how do you find it? The easiest way to find it is actually on TradingView. I have a link for TradingView in the description down below. You want to click on indicators right here, type in MACD, edit, and this is what it will look like. You don't need to add anything more. You can also use it with a crypto screener that I have right here. I'll show you how to if you stick with me until the end of the video. And a few combinations that I'm using in my crypto signals group, link in the description down below. And I'll also tell you how to trade it with crypto for the max gains, because the max gains are not with the top coins in my opinion. So you're waiting for the blue line to cross the orange line and some support being formed on a higher time frame, or divergence on the RSI, on the volume. For example, right here you have the MACD cross right here, and you would think you can long, but the issue is you had a very big candle higher than this one, signaling a stop loss hunt, which we sell. But right here we have a divergence in the volume. Volume is going down, as you can see, and now we have, it's time for a pullback. The volume, the sellers are exhausted. So you long right here at the cross, blue line crosses orange line. You can have your stop loss right here and target 1 to 1.5 de-risk. This is what I really like to do, something like this. So if you do it just like this, just like so, and when MACD cross is green, which is basically the cross, this cross signals the green movement, you would long here, and let's see how this will play out. Oops, almost got stopped, but come on. Let's add it in. Still waiting. Now we have some bounce up. We have another signal right here, as you can see, the cross. Now we started to pump, and we pump, and you can either take profit on the cross above or wait it out until you hit take profit. And here is where we took profit. If you want to wait, you can actually wait for the pump and wait for these lines to cross to have maximum profit. And this is how it will look like. We have the cross here, and you can actually take a 1 to 2, a 10% profit, just like so. It's going to be very easy. You basically buy here, sell here, or sell here. You can take profits a few times, or just have a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. How I set up my screener to trade this is you want to open up the screener, click on filters, the TradingView screener, then you want to type in MACD, and below or equal MACD signal, MACD level for MACD signal, and above or equal. Below or equal is basically for shorts, above or equal is for longs. And this is how you can find these trades very easily on your chart. You also want to try to find new trades every 5 minutes when 5-minute candles close, or when whatever time frame you trade at. Every 30-minute close of candle, you would want to figure out new trades with your screener. Again, I would probably combine this with 200 EMA and long only above the 200 EMA and short only below the 200 EMA. You always want to trade the cross, and you want to check volume for a confirmation. Let me show you a shorting example right here. And I promise that if you wait until the end, also not I'll tell you not just about the screener, but also about something else. I'm sponsored by MEX Exchange. You can actually long and short these altcoins here, there, and the potential pump and dumps are higher. So you can get a better ROI for your risk. For example, you can risk the same amount, but the pump can be very high on a MACD cross, especially on the longer time frames. If you can time it with uh, a few other things. With a few other things like fundamental analysis, news, the US time zone open. So if in this short example, I would short right here, place a short here, maybe even here, but yeah, let's say we short here, stop here, target profit 1 to 1.5, and this is how it would look like. Let's see if that's a win. Come on, mate. It's close, close, close. You can even take profits here because of the cross or here for a smaller profit, but I'll wait for 1.5 at minimum. So it's worth my risk. Yeah, I guess that was a stretch. Should have taken profit here, I guess. Yeah, with the cross. To avoid trades like this, because this might just pump higher to the stop loss, you can just use the EMA because I can guess the 200 EMA is higher here. Or if you don't want to use the EMA, just close every time we have the crossover. There's a lot of bots with MACD. They're working really well, especially when you have the EMA in mind. So yeah, that was a stop, and that's just because of the 200 EMA. Another long example would be long here, where we had the MAC cross or here, and it would probably be in confluence with the 200 EMA. Oh, I forgot to share my screen, sorry. With the 200 EMA, this is how it would look like. You want to have the 200 EMA. 200 EMA, white color, something like this would be good. I like to have it stand out a little bit more. So this is a long example. You would long right here at the cross, stop loss here, and target take profit with 1.5. So we would probably hit it here. If not, let's see how this plays out. Probably with this pump. Yeah, definitely with this pump. And you can actually sell here with the MACD cross or when it crosses a little bit before that. So this is how you can do the MACD strategy. This is the short. I'll just control Z undo so you can see how we played the short out. Can we see that? Not really. I guess it's a little hard. But yeah, we definitely can find very good trading opportunities. Again, you want to be trading with the trend or use Ichimoku for the trend indicator, 200 EMA or 50 EMA as well. I use a combination of a lot of indicators to enter my trades. I have a crypto signals group in the description down below. Let me know if you have any questions about the MACD trading strategy. See you next video.